Today's topic is sentence formation. Future tense. Subject plus will or shall plus V1. Simple future. Example: we will or shall play. Subject plus will or shall plus be plus ing form of the verb. Future continuous. Example: we will or shall be playing. Subject plus will or shall plus have plus V3. Future perfect. Example: we will or shall have played. Subject plus will or shall plus have plus been plus ing form of the verb. Future perfect continuous. Example: we will have been playing. Please like, comment and subscribe my video. Thank you.